Hello students, today we will study about properties of materials. Whenever we have to drink water, milk, juice, tea or coffee, then we use a tumbler. Look what Paheli is doing here. Is she correct? Obviously not. Have you ever wondered why a tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth? It's easy. We generally use a tumbler to keep a liquid. Therefore, would it not be silly if we were to make a tumbler out of cloth? What we need for a tumbler is glass, plastic, metal, or other such materials that will hold the water. Similarly, it would not be wise to use paper-like material for cooking vessels because before cooking the meal they will themselves burn. So students, we choose a material to make an object depending on its properties and the purpose for which this material or can say that this object going to be used. As you saw, for making tumbler we are using metal, plastic and glass, this kind of thing. So we will explore more about these properties and how we decide what to use or what not to use. Firstly, we will study about appearance. Yes, appearance means the look. How one looks is its appearance. Now, materials usually look different from each other. Wood looks very different from iron. Iron appears different from copper or aluminium. Here in this picture you are seeing the first picture is of iron and second one is of wood. They are very different from each other. At the same time, there may be some similarities between iron, copper, aluminium that are not in the wood. Students, based on appearance, some objects are dull and other are shiny. Some may appear rough, other may appear smooth. Materials that have such luster, which is known as shine, are usually metals. So, iron, copper, aluminium and gold. These are example of metals and they are shiny. As you can see in the picture, you have been shown various metals and they are appearing very lustrous. Some metal often lose their shine and appear dull just because of the action of air and moisture on them. We therefore notice the luster only on their freshly cut surface. Even here in this picture you can see a metal has been cut into two pieces. Now the freshly cut surface is showing shine. It's lustrous. Metals are shiny, that's why we use them for preparing jewelry. The mostly used metal they are gold, silver and platinum. These metals are known for making jewelry just because they do not lose their shine and they remain lustrous for a long time. So students, today we studied the properties of material and how we select some particular materials for preparing an object, and today we studied the first property which was appearance. We can conclude now that materials are shiny in appearance while other are not. Some are rough, some are smooth. That's all students. Stay at home, be safe and keep learning.